Hello, my name is Sean O'Farrell. I am a corporal currently employed in the DF Psychologist's office located in DFHQ, Newbridge. For the next stage of the selection process, you'll be sent an email by a company called MyMill. Within this email, there will be a link requesting that you complete a psychometric assessment. Upon receiving this email, please make sure that you read the instructions carefully and also remember that speed and accuracy are of equal importance. In order to be successful at the psychometric assessment, it is important that you practice. By visiting military.ie and entering the Careers tab, you will find the link leading you to a practice assessment. We encourage you to use this resource. The first test is error detection. In this test, you need to identify the number of errors between two sentences. Let's look at the first example. Look at sentence 1, then sentence 2. Memorise the number of differences and then press Next Step. The next page will show 5 different options for your answer. Click on your chosen one. The second test is orientation. This is a test of logic and spatial awareness. It will involve the mental manipulation of shapes. You will be shown 2 sentences. One will refer to the colours and the order they appeared in, and the second sentence will refer to the direction of the arrow. In this example, you will see that black is above white, so the black arrow will be on top and both arrows are facing up left. Click on the next step once you have memorised the information. Have a look through the arrows presented and select your chosen answer. The third test is number fluency. This is an assessment of basic numeracy skills. You will be shown 2 different steps where you will need to memorise both answers. Then you will be asked which one is greater. The fourth test is word rules. This is an assessment of your working memory. You need to memorise the order and the items that are presented to you and compare them to a list of words. Remember, your chosen answer needs to obey the rules in the same order. Therefore, in this example, we are looking for tree, close, tree. When we click on the next step, we are presented with maple, willow, ash. When you compare this to rule 1, you can see that maple is a tree, willow is not close, ash is a tree. So 2 of these options are correct. Once you are happy with your choice, click on the next step button. Remember, the order of your answers is very important. The 5th test is an assessment of general verbal reasoning or deductive reasoning. During this assessment, you will be provided with a set of rules. You will then be asked to select the word which obeys the rules. So you look at this and see that reference is after reservation and confirmation is after reference. Therefore, reservation is first. In example 2, you can see that the pilot is sadder than the policeman and the sailor is happier than the policeman. Therefore, the sailor is the happiest. So that was a quick look at the Irish Defence Force's cognitive tests. While it is not a very difficult test, you are required to memorise a lot of information in 45 minutes. Therefore, it is recommended that prior to completing the tests, you make sure you're in a quiet area, have reliable Wi-Fi, and be sure there will be no distractions. Also, please remember that speed and accuracy is paramount. So please give your answers as fast as possible while ensuring that they are as accurate as possible.